Whether crafting, creating, repairing, or rebuilding, it's amazing what you can do when you put your mind to it. All it takes is unwavering perseverance and the right tool in your hands. When you combine your creativity and know-how with a Leatherman, you have the confidence you need to take on whatever arises in your everyday, real life. No matter what real life entails, your Leatherman is right there by your side, helping you tackle challenges, go on adventures, and excel under pressure. Together, you and your Leatherman become a powerful force. Leatherman, for real life.
The TMT PLX features an aerospace-grade aluminum body and is powered by 2 included AAA batteries. Its rugged construction provides impact resistance of 3 meters and water resistance. This handy Penlight features a momentary on switch and measures 5 inches in length. Its 90 lumens of light are driven by a Cree XPE-B LED, an internal regulated circuit, and gold-plated contacts that combine to provide a runtime of 4 hours. The TMT PLX, only from 511 Táctico.
Everyone's favorite keychain flashlight is back and better than ever. The Nitecore TIP has 2 key upgrades for 2017 we think you're going to love. First, the TIP now includes a removable, multi-purpose clip. This utility clip adds a ton of functionality to the light by adding new ways to carry the tip and position it hands-free. The clip also serves a second purpose. Flip it around and it instantly becomes a physical lockout barrier to keep buttons from accidentally activating. It can also be used as a charging port cover to keep dust and other particulates out of the USB port. The second major upgrade to the tip is the addition of 2 operating modes, daily mode and constant on mode. In daily mode, the tip has a 30-second auto turn-off timer to provide convenient bursts of light without worrying about draining down the battery. In constant on mode, the tip will remain on until turned off via the power switch. To switch between modes, press and hold the power and mode button at the same time until the tip briefly flashes. A single flash indicates daily mode, and a double flash indicates constant on mode. You can also temporarily activate constant on mode while in daily mode. After the timer has turned the tip off, pressing the power button again will turn the tip back on and remain on until turned off by the power switch. The next time you turn the light on, however, it will revert back to daily mode. The TIP 2017 comes with the flashlight, a removable clip, keyring, and belt clasp.
This is a SCHRADE SCH221OR liner lock folding knife. 4.75 inches of eye-catching orange scalloped aluminum form the handle of this handsomely colorful EDC folding knife. 3.46 inches of edge-retaining 9CR18 Movi high-carbon stainless steel supplement the knife's ruggedly good looks while adding to the practical utility of this versatile cutting tool. Poke, prod, and pierce with a tough tip of the drop-point blade, handily opened by way of a classic thumb knob, and safely locked into position by means of a steel liner lock. Slice, chop, and cut through all kinds of material with a sharp out-of-the-box, corrosion-resistant fine edge, with the proud SCHRADE logo boldly etched into the blade steel. The orange scalloped and contoured aluminum handle joins with spine-side blade and liner lock jimping on the SCH221OR to augment blade control, while giving your hand a comfortable, sure hold. Use your thumb to nudge the liner lock aside while closing the blade with your opposite hand to return the keen edge to rest between twin steel blade liners. A stainless steel pocket clip continues the pattern of pairing great looks with everyday practicality. An orange aluminum folder you'll be proud to carry, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the SCHRADE SCH221OR Liner Lock Folding Knife.
Top 7. Suscríbete y dale like para más videos.